This is our 1966 Ford Mustang 289 3-speed manual. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes, and then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood. So we are selling the car on behalf of a local gentleman who has owned it for just a couple of years. He purchased it just after 300 miles after it had been restored by the previous owner. Originally a springtime yellow car, it was obviously repainted in black. Did quite a nice job. When we got the car, there was some little streaks, little swirls. We wet sanded the whole car, and now it just looks killer. Nice and glassy finish. Very, very, very nice. The trim pieces are all in nice shape. The chrome has no oxidation or damage. Weather stripping's in nice shape. The body is really, really nice and straight. There is one ding on the top of the trunk lid, which you'll see close up a little bit later on. But aside from that, the body is really nice and straight. No door dings or anything like that. We did put a paint gauge all over the car. Only found 2 spots of any evidence of filler. That was the forward corner of the passenger door, as well as the middle bottom of the driver door. Quarters are really nice and dry, as are the fenders. The inside lips show no bubbling, nothing like that. The 17-inch torque thrust wheels are in great shape. No curb rash or oxidation. The tires DOT number indicates they were manufactured in 2015. Don't show much for wear, still close to new, so those are great. Really nice assorted driver. Obviously it's pretty far off from original, no longer being yellow, but the 289 and a well done 3-speed are just hard to beat. Car's a real blast, good amount of power, though it was originally a C-code 2-barrel, now has an Edelbrock 4-barrel on there, Edelbrock intake as well. Panel fitment is spot on, very nice throughout. Now here are all the cosmetic blemishes on the car. There's a little nick right there on the nose. Then there is a small bubble on top of the driver fender. Not a rust bubble at all, it just looks like it's probably indicative of poor prep work when painting. Chipping, paint flaking around the keyhole. Good size blemish here on the driver rear quarter. Looks like there was a scratch or something that somebody did a poor job of touching up, but regardless, that's something to be aware of. Another weird small little blemish, a bit of a bubble on top of the driver rear quarter, and then on the crease line from the trunk lid there is some touch-up paint. You can see that on the crease there. Again, chrome looks nice and mirror-like. And then as we work our way around to the passenger side, little minor chips along the rockers, nothing significant. But then up front, looks like there used to be a badge down at the bottom of some sort. Regardless, there is a hole drilled at the bottom corner. Overall, pretty handsome car. Very nice driver level, we'll call it. Now the interior, pretty good. Dash top has no cracks. Carpet's in good shape. This video makes it look a little bit more tired. That's really just the iPhone. But it is black. Not really much for discoloring. The retro radio is functional, sounds great. The heat, defrost, and fan are functional. The fuel gauge is not functional, and neither is the temp gauge. The tach has a hairline crack in it. Odometer indicates 520 miles, and the engine was rebuilt under previous ownership, and the odometer was reset when the restoration was done. So say it's been about 5 years and 520 miles since the restoration. Car still looks very sharp, has been garage kept since. Black vinyl seats look excellent. No scuffs or significant wear. I mean, even the outer bolsters look good. Polished sills are all nice and clean. No damage. Does have the correct Mustang seat belts. These are lap belts, not shoulder belts. Car will also come with a set of rubber floor mats, all four. Rear seat, very nice. Headliner, clean and tight.